Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to copy the link of your Sheets in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I have currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which I created only for these videos. What you're gonna do is you will have to choose a sheet which you want to copy the link of. Let's say I want to choose this yes one. You can click any sheet, of course. After that, you can click on these three dots right next to it, to the right side of your sheet. Here we'll have to scroll down for a bit until you find an option, a button called copy link. Here. It says link copied to clipboard, and if you want to send it to someone or save it to somewhere, just have to paste it there as a file, as a text, and it will be a link automatically created for you. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.